What's up, guys? We are here in the lab here, and I wanted to show you this recording setup. So I've got the DJI gimbal set up right here. This is tracking me, number one, and watch if I come over here. It is tracking me, and I do have the Sarai cinema lens on there. It should be tracking me pretty good. We are also recording on the DJI, and I have the C70 here, but we're not actually recording on that right now. The fact that that uses SD cards is super annoying, but I just wanted to show you that, and it will focus, I believe. Yeah, so it is pretty much focusing on me. Yeah, you see this this tracker works pretty well. I gotta say, I do really like the way these cinema lenses look, and unfortunately on the R5C you do have to use the crop. A pretty big score to be able to get those for the price that they're at, and I really do enjoy using them. Unfortunately, I'm not great at manual focusing, so I was able to score this from DJI. So I already had the RS2. If you don't already have the RS2, I wouldn't do this. This is the older version of the Focus Pro from DJI, and I've got to say it works really well for what it does. I would be super interested to test the new one, but I'm buried in debt already, so I'm not going to do that. But I did score that for like $100, and the gimbal itself can be had for pretty cheap. If you are trying to get autofocus on a cinema lens, you could do something like this. Unfortunately, I don't think you can use it without the gimbal being powered on, because the focus system is running through the gimbal, which DJI's new Focus Pro system, you can get a hand wheel and you can actually use it without the gimbal on, which I thought was really cool. I really don't need it. This is a special circumstance for me, but I am really enjoying using this, and I think I might throw the 75mm on next time just so I can test it out a little further. The DJI is tracking me, as well as the Sarai cinema glass, and obviously you can see here, right? So this is the DJI, this is the Canon C70, and this is the Canon R5C, using that cinema glass to focus, and that is the wide angle 16mm, and it is Super 35 mode, so it's not actually in full frame. So what I had noticed shooting in RAW with that lens was I was getting a lot of noise. But I thought I'd show you all three of them. You guys tell me what you guys think. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. I make tech videos weekly in 4K to keep you guys entertained and well informed. And until next time, I'm out. Don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, use the affiliate links down below. Sarai, send me a bunch of anamorphic lenses. I'd love to test those. DJI, send me a bunch of stuff. Canon, send me a bunch of stuff too. Why not? Let's just test it all. All right, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.